Hello and welcome back to CoachPodium YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use email sequence step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll have to come to our site CoachPodium and log in. I have added the link to our site in the description box below. Now to create a new email sequence, from the sidebar, navigate to email sequence and click on it. Now click on Add New. The first thing you have to do is give your email sequence a name. Next, you can choose your email template. Select either pre-built templates or start from scratch. Please note, when you choose the pre-built templates option, you can edit already available email templates. But in the Start from Scratch option, you have to create an email from the ground up. For this video tutorial, I will select pre-built template. Just click on it and click on Create Sequence button. The first option is to select Apply Sequence to your Wheel of Life assessment. If you click here on Select, then you will be able to see all of the Wheel of Life assessments that you have created on CoachPodium. Simply select the Wheel of Life that you want to apply the email sequence to. I have also added the link to our step-by-step video tutorial on how to create a Wheel of Life assessment, so you can watch that video for the details. After you have selected the Wheel of Life assessment, click on the Close button. Next, choose the trigger point. So click on Choose Trigger Point. So let's select when assessment is taken and click on Close. Now, you can just select the time range and day to send the email. You can configure the time and day to send emails. So from here, you can select the day. By default, Monday to Friday has been selected. You can select Saturday and Sunday as well by clicking on them. If you want to unselect any of the days, simply repeat the process by clicking on the particular days. Now, you can set the start time and the end time. Click here and you can select any time as the start time, and you can do the same for the end time. For this video tutorial, I will set the time from 10 AM to 6 PM. You also have the option to configure the time zone. All you have to do is click on the time zone link that's given here. Now from the time zone option here, you simply have to click here and you can select the time zone of your choice. I'm going to select Asia Kathmandu. And you have to click on the Update Profile button. Okay, let's cross out this tab and we will go back to the email sequence. After you are done, click on the Save Changes button. Next, switch to the Email Sequence tab. First, you can select from the range of available pre-built template. So from under Email Template, click on Select a Template. These are the available templates. You can select from any one of them. So if you select one of the pre-built template, the subject line as well as the email content are loaded instantly. Now let's say you want to compose your own email. In that case, from under Email Template, again click here to open the drop-down menu. You have to click on Select a Template. You can then write the appropriate subject line inside the email subject box, and you can write your email content here in the email body. You can also personalize your email with the help of personalization options here. You simply have to click on the personalization option and you can select from any one of them. For example, if you wish to display coach full name, then you can click on coach full name. to personalize your email subject. Similarly, for your email body, you can click on the personalization option and you can select from any one of them, like client full name for example. And you got other options here as well. You can explore them and you can select and use them as per your requirement. For this video tutorial, from under email template, I will select the first template. Also, keep in mind that you can use personalization option for when you are using a pre-built template. If you want to create multiple emails, then from the left hand side, you have to click on the Add New Email button. And then you can follow the same process that I just explained. Following the same process, I have created one more email. Now, I want to take your attention once again to the left hand side. We will now configure the follow-up timing. All you have to do is put the number in the number box. You can select a number. You can increase it or you can decrease it. Now on the box right next to it, if you click here, you can either select minutes, hours, days, and months. Whatever timing you select from here, each email will be sent on that interval. So you can select the number from here and you can select the interval from here. The first one, I will set it as 2 days, and for the second email, I will set the number as 4 and I will set the time interval as hours. To save the changes, make sure you scroll down and click on the Save button. Make sure you do it for all the emails. So we will select the first email and we will also save it. Click on Save button. Next up, we will change email sequence mailer settings. For that, let's go back to the CoachPodium dashboard. So click on this Go Back arrow. Once again, navigate to Email Sequence menu and this time, click on Settings. The first option is SMTP Mailer. So under the SMTP Mailer, CoachPodium Mailer has already been selected, so you don't have to do anything here. Under Email Header, you have to enter the email address that you want to show in your emails. I have already added an email address here. And in the From Name field, you have to enter the name you want to show in your emails. Please note, your prospects will see this email and email address on their emails. This gives you the flexibility to use a separate email apart from your default CoachPodium account email. Lastly, you have to click on the Save Settings button. Next, let's customize our header and footer. For that, from under Email Sequence, navigate to Header and Footer. First, click on Email Header. Here, you can upload the image to display in the email header. The recommended size for the banner as well as for the logo are given here at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can upload the image to display in the email header. I have already added a header image, but I want to change it. So from under Header Image, simply click inside the Click to Upload option and select your email header. Click on Open. And your email header will be displayed here. If you want to change the background color, you also have that option. So just click here. And this right here is the default color. You can select from any of the available colors. Simply select from the available palette, or you can also slide the slider up and down, and you can also make use of the other slider to select the perfect shade. You also have the option to add in the hex as well as the RGBA color values. For now, I will stick with this lighter green color and I will make a few adjustments here. Okay, I like this shade. Let's go with this one. Now, click on the Save button on the top right side. Now we will go back. And next is email footer. Here, you have the option to add business or website name as well as add the website link. I have already added the website name as well as the website link. You simply have to type in your business or website name, or you can copy and paste it, and you have to copy and paste your website link inside of the website link box. Next is the default mailing address. Please note, you can tick the checkbox of the default mailing address if you want to send your default mailing address. If you uncheck this option by clicking into this box, you can provide a custom mailing address inside of this text box. For now, I will go with default. Now, if you wish to add in a footer note, then you can add it inside of the footer note box. This will be displayed on the email footer. Let me add a different footer note. Again, to save the changes, click on the Save button on the top right corner. Now we will test the email sequence. Let's go back once again and back. Again, navigate to email sequence and you have to make sure that you click on all email sequence. Here, you will find all the newly created email sequence. You just have to click on the edit icon of this newly created email sequence. We have only created one so far, that is why only one email sequence is being displayed. Go to Email Sequence tab once again. Now from the emails you have created, you have to select and click on the email that you want to test in the sidebar. So let's go with the first one. If you want to select a different email, you simply have to click on that particular email. Okay, let's go with the first one. Now you have to scroll down. And on the bottom right corner, you will see the test email button. Simply click on it. Now you have to enter the email address to receive the test email. Now click on the Send button. The test email address has been sent to the test email address that we provided, and we can verify now. So I will simply log into the test email address. And here is the email that I received. Let's click on it. And you can see the header, the email body, as well as the footer. And you can also see the footer note. As you can see here in the video, there are a few things in the email body that I have not customized, but these things are not to be worried about. They can easily be customized. Let's cross out this tab. Next, you have to enable the email sequence. For that, you just have to go back. From under email sequence, make sure you have selected all email sequence. And to enable your email sequence, you simply have to toggle the button in front of the email sequence list. Simply enable it. If you wish to disable it, then you can disable it back again. Okay, let's enable it. Now your email sequence is set up and ready for automation. You can also get a quick preview of your email sequences from the Visual tab. To do that, you have to click on the Edit icon and click on Visual Preview tab. It shows your name along with your email address. You can also view the visual representation of statistics of your email sequences with the help of Reports tab. Simply click on Reports, and here you will be able to view all the statistics. You can see sent, opened, clicked, as well as the click rate. And you can view the entire detailed analytics and reporting here. There is also another option to see the detailed analytics and report. For that, you'll have to go back. Again, from under email sequence, you have to make sure you have selected all email sequence, where you will see all of the email sequences that are created. For a particular email sequence of which you want to see the reporting of, you simply have to click on the three dots and click on See All Statistics. And you will have access to the detailed analytics and reporting of that particular email sequence. Let's go back. So that was it. If you have any questions or confusions, then please do let me know in the comment section below, or you can always reach out to our support team. If you are liking our videos so far, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching this video.